to the Morning Howl. I'm Tori.
And I'm Callum. Here's the news for this week. TCAP testing concludes this week on Wednesday. A daily schedule can be found on the LCN Instagram page.
Field Day is coming up. Show your spirit by purchasing a class t-shirt for $6. Money is due to your advisory teacher by Friday.
Last week, LCMS students participated in the Sumner County Special Olympics at Station Camp. Our Addison Greer was there to capture the action.
Addison Greer with Liberty Creek News. I'm here at Station Camp High School for the Special Olympics. Here's a look at today's events.
Here's this week's birthdays. Happy birthday!
Here are this week's positive ops referrals. We'll be right back.
This is Den Points. Kintaro, 559. Alu, 463. Sangreal, 379. Salon Hill, 152.
6th and 7th graders interested in LCMS student leadership next year, there's a meeting tomorrow from 3:15 to 4:15 in Miss Roach's room.
Talent show auditions are next Monday, May 6th, during your related arts block. More information can be found on the LCMS Instagram page.
If you have enjoyed watching Liberty Creek News this year and want to get involved, now's your chance. Casting for next year's team opens this Wednesday. Applications and audition videos are due next Friday, May 10th. See Mr. Skaggs for an application.
Finally, there are 2 days left for TCAP, and hopefully everyone tries their best to make sure to
Charge your iPad. You have to charge your. It's literally 3 weeks into testing. You know how to.
For
charge
Liberty
your
Creek News, I'm Tori.
And, you know
And
what?
I'm Callum.
Mom
Don't
and
forget to
Dad
follow
and
Liberty
dog
Creek
and
News on
grandma, they're all
Instagram
gonna be
at
scared
Liberty
if
Creek
you don't
News.
charge your
Have a great week.